And this is where the cooking revolution begins, with a handy food dispenser like this. Not the sort of thing you're likely to find in the average kitchen, but thousands of them have been installed at factories throughout the British Isles, and they're particularly intended to help the night shift worker. He can come along at any time of night and select a pre-prepared meal. My particular choice will be sausage and tomato. Press the button, a door opens, and out comes my meal, which is very nicely prepared in a plastic tray. It's not cooked, ready to go into the oven. Open the microwave oven door, place it on the grill, shut the door. Now, with each meal comes this special token which programs the cooker to provide the right amount of cooking time. This is pushed straight in to the cooker, which starts the cooking process, and that, I'm told, will take about 70 seconds. So while I'm waiting, a word perhaps with Mr. George Langdon, one of the men who are marketing this machine. Well, how soon is it going to be in the housewife's kitchen, Mr. Langdon?
We estimate it should be in the kitchen, housewife's kitchen, within about a year to 18 months.
And what's the cost going to be?
The cost should be in the region of £100 to £120, but again, this is a thing of the future.
This seems an awful lot to pay, if you don't mind me saying, for a cooker which won't actually brown food. You can't have roast Yorkshire pudding or anything like that with it.
Well, this is true. It doesn't actually brown, but it doesn't mean to say that you won't be able to have roast Yorkshire pudding or anything like this. It will possibly be a unit incorporated within the housewife's normal cooker, and she will still be able to do her own cooking. Possibly give her much more leisure time. She can cook when she's got the time, put the meal in the deep freeze, bring it out and actually reconstitute it in her microwave oven as and when she wants it.
Mr. Langdon, is there any danger from the microwaves in this oven at all?
Not at all, no. The oven is so designed that it is not dangerous in any way. It has passed all the stringent tests laid down by the various authorities, in fact in 8 different European countries.
So there's no problems at all like that?
Actually, I see
the meal is now cooked, so now comes the final test. The proof of the pudding is in the eating, as it were. So let's have a taste. Very warm. The oven is completely cold inside, and the meal looks delicious. Let's have a taste and see. Delicious.